Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panter, and today we're going to check it out how to do some badges in Midjourney. So I came to the conclusion that you can mix up badges pretty easily. It doesn't matter how you mix up the prompts, it's just gonna give you like the same average results, like 50%. It's well developed, but the other 50% is like still work in progress. It works really good with illustrations, but with typography, it just messes it up. So let's see what's up. I'm gonna type in imagine. I'm gonna go with car logo design. I'm gonna go with vintage logo. Let's see what happens. So let's see what we have so far. It looks something like this, where the third example is pretty good. It just have a lot of details. It also tries to be more in 3D. This one is like more flat. I'm gonna also add like more prompts. I'm gonna go with vintage flat logo, so we can avoid like these 3-dimensional effects. I'm also gonna add like old graphic, enter. We got new results. These already look really good. Look at the first one and the third one. Actually, all of them look pretty good. So this is a successful result. So you can combine, you know, like switch up the car with some other prompts. And we got like logo design, vintage flat logo, old graphic. This is gonna give you like pretty good results, but I'm gonna test it a little bit more. I'm gonna copy paste the same prompt and I'm gonna switch it up. Imagine, Control V, and I'm gonna add like mountain. And I also gonna add another one with mountaineering. So we got like the mountain logo. Oh wow, this looks like heavily detailed. Let me check the mountaineering logo. This is less detailed. It looks like, okay, more like an illustration rather than a photo of some mountains. So this is how they look upscaled. Here is the mountain. Look how illustrative that looks. Looks like a painting or something like that. Let me check out the cars. This looks really good actually. This you can vectorize the car pretty good and it's still gonna look nice and decent. Same as this one, I think. You also can switch up some of the prompts. I'm gonna copy paste these, and you also can tell the AI logo design of A. You can also start it like this. I'm gonna go with logo design of a mechanic. Space, Control V, vintage flat logo, old graphic. Let's see. Now look how old school these guys are, but they really look good. What else should I try? I'm thinking to try it out like something with, again, with mountains or forests. I'm gonna go with vintage forest logo design. I'm gonna go with old flat. Great, it upscaled the mechanic. I also can try it out with the barber, why not? I'm gonna go with this prompt. Vintage barber shop logo design. And here we got the forest. It's heavily decorated again. Ooh, look at this. Check this out. In the fourth example, they removed the jaw. It doesn't have jaw. It only has a huge mustache. I'm gonna go with the second one. These actually look pretty good. And then I'm also planning to do one with a buffalo. I'm gonna go with imagine logo design of a buffalo. I'm gonna go with vintage flat logo graphic. Here we got the barber, 100%. I don't know, when it upscales, it just destroys the quality pretty much. It doesn't look that good. Let me check out the buffalo. This actually looks pretty legit right now. I don't know how it's gonna look upscaled again. And here we got the buffalo. I don't like it. So yeah, these are some of the prompts. You can copy paste it, you know, you can switch it up, test it out, see what happens. And yeah, thanks for watching. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.